Hello children, we are on the third part of this lesson, that is deficiency diseases. Let us see what is deficiency disease. A disease caused by the lack of an element in the diet, usually a particular vitamin or mineral. It can be curbed by eating a balanced diet. You can underline deficiency disease can be curbed by eating a balanced diet regularly. Let us see this chart, common deficiency diseases in this following table. This chart is very important. Learn by heart. First column is deficiency disease, second column is cause, third one is the symptom, and fourth one is the prevention column. First disease, deficiency disease, is kwashiorkor. It is caused due to deficiency of protein. Its symptoms: fatigue, diarrhea, fail to gain weight, swelling in the abdomen, flaky and dry skin that hangs in the folds. Eat diet rich in protein, include pulses, egg and meat in the diet. Second deficiency disease is marasmus, caused due to deficiency of proteins and carbohydrate. Chronic diarrhea, respiratory infections, loose and folded skin, stunted growth, fluid accumulated in several parts of the body. What is stunted growth? It is an impaired growth and development that children experience from poor nutrition basically. Coming to the prevention part, eat a diet rich in proteins and carbohydrate. Diet should contain milk, meat, eggs and cereals. Coming to the third deficiency disease, that is night blindness. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Person is not able to see during the night or in dim light. Eat lot of green leafy vegetable, papayas, carrot, mangoes, milk, butter, egg yolk. It is the prevention. Coming to the fourth one, anemia. It is caused due to deficiency of iron. Person looks pale and gets tired easily. Its prevention is eat lots of green vegetables, banana, apple, guava, jaggery, meat. Coming to the fifth, that is rickets. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. Symptoms are twisted or bent legs, softening of bones and knock knees. Absorb sunlight early in the morning because sunlight contains vitamin D. Take milk products and salt water fish. Coming to the next, that is scurvy. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Swelling of gums which bleed frequently. Eat lot of citrus fruits such as lemon, oranges, amla, grapes, tomatoes. Coming to the next, that is beriberi. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. Weak muscles and nerve, tiredness and lack of energy. Eat milk, peas, sprouts, cereals, green vegetables. Next is goiter, deficiency of iodine, swelling of the front portion of the neck. Iodized salt and seafood is the prevention. Coming to the next part, that is food adulteration. What is food adulteration? Food adulteration refers to the adding of unwanted and unsafe substances in the food items. Adulterants is the unwanted substances which are added. It makes the quality very cheap. Non-eatable substances are added to the food items to decrease its quality. Due to adulteration, the food also becomes impure and unsafe to eat or drink. Consuming adulterated food can cause serious health problems such as food poisoning, asthma, diarrhea and cancer. Government has also imposed certain restrictions, but still the buyers need to be aware of it while purchasing the food. Common examples of food adulteration, let us see. Milk is adulterated often with impure water. Second, cereals and pulses are adulterated with stone chips, chalk powder and harmful colors. Common kitchen spices like turmeric and chili powder are often adulterated with lead compounds also. Colored dried papaya seeds are added in black pepper. Both are similar type. Actually, its texture is similar type. So it is adulterated with black pepper. Papaya seeds can cause liver and stomach problems also. In coffee powder, turmeric seeds are added which can cause diarrhea, stomach disorder, joint pains and giddiness also. Edible oils mixed with cheaper and toxic oils. Tiny pieces of glass chips are added to sugar. Honey is adulterated with jaggery syrup. Now let's do this part, you can do by yourself. I have already done over here. Carbohydrate, in this stream you can write bread, potatoes, sweets, rice. Protein stream, milk, egg, pulses, meat, peas. In the fat, butter, cheese. Let's recap. All the points are important. You can tick it out. Coming to the next part, that is your exercise part. Tick the correct option. Besides 5 important nutrients, food also contains roughage. Food that contains sugar or starch are rich source of carbohydrates. A sportsperson or a physical laborer needs more carbohydrates. Excessive body weight gain and fat deposit leads to obesity. Kwashiorkor is caused due to deficiency of protein. Coming to fill up the blanks, food that contains sugar or starch are called carbohydrates. Second one, fats gives us energy and warmth. Third, a diet containing right quantities of all nutrients is called balanced diet. Fourth, pizzas, burger and sandwich are junk food. Fifth, diabetes is a major lifestyle disease in India. Right, true and false. Besides nutrients, food also contain roughage and water. That is true. Then fats help to make new cells in our body. False. Sunlight helps the body make vitamin C. False. Junk food have low nutritional value. True. Fermented food are easy to digest. True. Deficiency disease are caused by extra fat content of diet. False. Coming to match the following. Swollen abdomen, kwashiorkor. Loose and folded skin, marasmus. Swollen neck, goiter. Swollen gums often bleed, scurvy. Weak muscles and nerves, beriberi. Twisted or bent legs, rickets. You can give the number in match the following. Name the following: a disease caused by deficiency of iodine, goiter. Any food item that contain high amount of sugar and fat and low amount of nutrients, junk food. Nutrients that help to make new cells, protein. The process of germinating whole grains and pulses, sprouting. Addition of unwanted and unsafe items to food items, that is food adulteration. Thank you.